How to activate RBC Bank credit card online. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how you can activate RBC Bank credit card online. First step is to open up any web browser. Here search for RBC Royal Bank, then tap on the very first website, which is rbcroyalbank.com. Now, on this web page, you want to sign into your account. For that, tap on the sign in option at the top of your screen. On the sign in portal, you first want to enter your client card or username. If you want this detail to be remembered, check the box that says Save Client Card or Username. Now tap on the option of Next. Then you will have to enter your password. In case you have forgotten your password, you can recover it by tapping on the Forgot Password option. If you want to recover your username, tap on the Recover Username option. From here, you will have to follow the on-screen instructions in order to recover your username. Once you have been logged into your account, you want to select your credit card on the account summary page. You will be taken to the credit card account details page. From there, you can select the option of Activate My Credit Card. Then you will have to follow the on-screen prompts. The first step would be to enter your 16-digit credit card number. Then you will have to start the activation process. From there on, you will have to provide other details such as the security code. After all the details have been verified, your card will be successfully activated. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.